$4.99, whereas this is $20, and that's a lot. That's a lot for a girl on a budget, especially during a pandemic. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about makeup essentials. This also doubles as a video that shows products that I've continued to repurchase time and time again in the makeup category. So I'm going to jump in no particular order, even though this does feel planned. I'm going to start off with eyeshadow primer. So this is the Urban Decay Primer Potion. This has been a staple in my collection. I also have the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. I also have a Milani eyeshadow primer. Whatever it is, I need a primer that is not, my eyes just don't work in that way where I can just apply a foundation or concealer on my lids and that'll double as a primer. It'll crease, it'll fade, and my eyeshadows will literally disappear within like an hour or two. But with the Urban Decay Primer Potion, or whichever one it is, I can keep my eyeshadow on for at least a good like 5 or 6 hours, if not longer. Usually it's a little bit longer than that. But yes, I love the Urban Decay Primer Potion. I don't like the packaging. They've changed it throughout the years, but this stuff is amazing. Eyeliner. I always use liquid eyeliner. I don't like pencil eyeliner to line my top lid, and I don't put any on the bottom anymore since I was in high school. So liquid eyeliner is the way for me, and I really like the NYX matte liquid liner. It is not fussy. It has a very easy applicator to work with. I sometimes use the Kaja Beauty one that came in the Winky stamp collection. I don't really use the wing liner stamp as much as I should, really. I think I would be a pro by now if I actually practice with it, but I get nervous and I don't got time to fix things. So the NYX matte liquid eyeliner is one of my favorites. I just wish it came in more colors that were this formula. I know NYX has liquid eyeliners in different colors, but the formula is always different and it cakes and it like crumbles in a weird way, and I don't experience that with this one. Let's talk about lash primer. I didn't start using lash primer up until like a year ago, but I do really like it. This is from Essence, which is one of my favorite brands when it comes to mascaras. This is the Essence Volume Booster Lash Primer. So it just coats your lashes with a little bit of white, and then you just follow up with a primer. I think it helps give a little bit extra length, a little extra oomph. It's not super dramatic, but I can see a difference on days that I don't use it. Speaking of Essence, I love their mascaras, like I just finished saying. This is the I Love Crazy Extreme mascaras. I've tried almost all of them, and I do love almost all of them. Maybe there's like 1 or 2 exceptions, but these Essence mascaras are only like $4.99. They are so they're so good. Like, they give you just a lot of length, a lot of volume, and the brushes, I mean, there's different types of brushes. So if you're someone who doesn't really like a giant brush like this, then they do have smaller ones, or they have bigger ones than this one. I think there's just something there for everyone, and at $4.99 I really like it. Even though some drugstore mascaras are only like $7 or $8, like those $2 or $3 really help me feel better in my mind. So I absolutely love Essence mascaras. I swear by them. Concealer. This is really important for me because I have really dark circles all the time, whether I'm sleeping well, whether I'm not sleeping well. I just always have really dark circles, really dark under eye area in general. So finding a concealer that fits well for me is hard, and also color matching myself is not something I'm great at, but I finally found one. So this is from NYX. This is their HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. This is in the color Glow. The packaging is cracked because I dropped it, but this is amazing. I have it on right now. Just glides on, melts really well, blends in nicely, and it doesn't get too cakey on me. So that's all I could really ask for. So I definitely love this concealer. It took me a while to find the right one. I kept going for tan, and that's way too dark for my skin tone. So I don't know why I was doing that. Another makeup essential that I don't use often, but I have been this past week because I've been testing out the ColourPop Candyline collection, is from NYX. This is an OG product. So if you've been watching YouTube videos as long as I have, I've been watching them since I was 16, probably at the very beginning of the YouTube beauty community, then you remember this product. It just came in different packaging. But this is from NYX. This is their Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. It's the perfect color, shade, everything to get pastels to show up on your lids, or even just anything neon. It helps give it that extra oomph compared to just using the Urban Decay Primer Potion or like a clear base. This one is white and it blends nicely. You have to be careful though, because you can experience some creasing with it if you're not careful, like if you put too much of a thick layer. But I absolutely love this, and they come in different shades like other stuff that I've seen people use as just primers and bases for their eyes, but the white one is the one that I've always used. Back in the day, this was just shorter and chubbier. Now they made it longer and skinnier, but yes. All right, time for some makeup sponge talk. I really, really like, these are really stained. I did clean them, but they're just really stained from all the foundation I've been trying to wear, or tinted moisturizer. I really love the Real Techniques one a little bit more than the Beauty Blender one, and the Real Techniques one is a lot cheaper. This is $4.99, whereas this is $20, and that's a lot. That's a lot for a girl on a budget, especially during a pandemic. So yes, this one is a definite staple for me. All right, friends, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it. You guys are amazing. It's been an amazing journey. Your likes and your support during this time mean a lot for me. Any type of engagement on a video helps YouTube promote it more, and my videos tend to not get that many views anyway, so any likes, any comments, any watches, any views really helps that out, or helps me out. So I really appreciate it. I will see you very soon with another video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any requests for any videos, let me know down below. Bye guys. Or like tinted lip balm, or like tinted lip, or like tinted